Hello and welcome to this Accomplished Beginners Blender tutorial number 15. In this tutorial we'll create a neighborhood street. We'll start out in the top ortho view in the 3D window to press Shift A and add a plane. And then I'll go into edit mode and scale this plane, or I don't have to scale it, I can grab this edge here and do G, X, 6. And then I'll come a little bit closer and do Control R and do 3 cuts. Move this edge up till here and this a little bit further like that. And change to face mode. I'll select this, and I've created 3 materials here, and I will just add these material slots one by one. The first is asphalt, and I'll assign that to this one here. The next is concrete. I'll assign that to this one here. And the third is grass. And they're just more or less black, gray, and green. So, there you go. And then I need to change to edge mode. I need to do a Control R here and have 4 cuts here. I'll select this face, press 1, pull that down, select edge mode and take this edge, press 1, push this down a little bit lower because this is the gutter, and I could push this a little bit down like that because that's the edge of the curb. Then I want to move this edge closer to this one, because what this represents is just that little groove between the curb and the concrete walkway or path. And I'll select that edge, and then I'll do E for extrude and push this down a little bit. And then I'll select the faces created at the edges and delete those. And now if I add the subdivision surface modifier, as usual the materials tend to bleed over, so I'll have to correct that or control that. So I'll press Control R there. Just need 2 edges. One for, okay, need to grab the arrow. One for this side here. Make sure I get it where I want it. And this for this side here to get it straight. And I'll do the same thing for this part, the asphalt. And I'll do Control R and 2 of those and grab this and push that up. And now since I can't see because it's all black, I can press Z and then select that and then back again. Okay. And then I'll press A to select everything and press W and shade smooth. And okay, yes, we have the cameras are in different. I have prepared this file also with cameras, so I'll show you that later. So now we've created this profile. We want to add a mirror modifier, and I need to push this out to make sure they're actually meeting. Okay, GX. And like this. And A to deselect. And then I'll select this edge here with the box select, these 2 edges, and then I pull that out. This is the lawn or the actual lots of the houses, street, curb, walkway, and the lots. And I think that that's all we need for now in terms of that. And then we can select everything and we can scale this in the Y direction, scale Y 100. Let's see how that goes. That looks pretty good. Yes. And we can go to object mode and choose the camera. Look at this. And that's what we have now here. I have also chosen a pretty dark horizon color and pretty much as dark blue as I can get on the zenith color. And I just have straight, just no paper sky or blend sky or anything, just like that. And the reason to that is we will use a sun. One of the lights that we'll use in this will be a sun. So let's go back to 3D view and look at this one here. And this is a sun. And this we'll talk about in the next tutorial. Now we have just prepared the neighborhood street. And the next instance, we'll put houses and cars and people in here and start to work with the lighting. We'll see what time it takes. I think we'll be happy, we'll be lucky if we can get all the stuff in there, and we won't be able to start using the lights until maybe the third of in the one over from now on these tutorials. So thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this will make more sense when we move on, number 16. So I'll thank you for your attention, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.